Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see what is Microsoft Security Exposure Management. I will quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. Alright, I am logged on to the portal, and once you are on the home screen of security.microsoft.com, you will see Exposure Management. Click on Overview. This is the lab environment, so you will not get much information, but Microsoft Security Exposure Management is a security solution that provides a unified view of security posture across company assets and workloads. Security Exposure Management enriches asset information with security context that helps the team members to proactively manage attack surfaces, protect critical assets, and explore and mitigate exposure risk. You will see the basic definition. It says manage and strengthen your organization's security posture across your entire estate with our consolidated unified solution. Safeguard your critical assets, prioritize and improve your key areas of focus, get actionable insights into the security investments, and explore potential attack paths and more. If you start a tour, so they welcome to the Security Exposure Management overview. It says use security exposure management to centrally assess and manage exposure risk. Monitor the assets. See a quick summary of the assets broken down by category. Okay, it will show you the assets here. The security initiatives. Key areas of exposure risk with predefined initiatives. It will monitor the exposure risk metrics to track what's going well and get actionable insights for improvement. And identify potential attack vectors, see critical asset relationships and gain deeper insights. Review the recent security events updates based on the latest threat intelligence and research. And classify and manage the assets most important to the organization. And security exposure management is currently in public review. So the question is, who uses security exposure management? Now, security and compliance admins responsible for maintaining and improving organizational security posture, security operations or SecOps, and partner teams who need visibility into the data and workloads. Security architects responsible for solving systematic issues in overall security posture, and chief security information officers or CISOs, and security decision makers who need insights into organizational attack surface and exposure in order to understand security risk within organizational risk frameworks. If you take a close look of what an admin, or if you are an architect, security consultant, or you are starting your career in security, or you are at a leadership position in security, what is there for you with security exposure management? With security exposure management, you will get a unified view across the organization. Right? External attack surface protection, ransomware protection, the top metrics, attack surface map. Okay, you will manage and investigate attack surface. If you'll scroll down, you'll see the map here. So there are no connections to show because this is my lab environment. You will see the attack paths. Through this graphical overview of attack surface map, you will get the entire enterprise exposure graph, which will gather information to provide a comprehensive view of security posture and exposure across the boundaries or the business. Graph schemas provide contextual information about specific organizational entities such as devices and identities, machines, and storage. You will query the enterprise exposure graph to explore assets, assess risk, and hunt for threats across on-premises, hybrid, and multi-cloud environments. You will discover and safeguard critical assets. You will manage the exposure because it will give you the security posture data, and it will provide you rich context around the security posture state of your asset inventory. Through this graph, you can use the enterprise exposure graph and attack surface map To visualize and understand potential threats, you can also focus on choke points through which many attack paths flow. You will have the actionable recommendations which will help you to mitigate identified attack paths. And if you talk about integration, what's integrated into security exposure management? So currently, security exposure management consolidates security posture information and insights from workloads that include Defender for Endpoint, Microsoft Defender for Identity, Microsoft Defender for Cloud Apps, Microsoft Defender for Office, IoT, Microsoft Secure Score, Microsoft Defender Vulnerability Management, Microsoft Defender for Cloud, Microsoft Entra ID, Microsoft Defender External Attack Surface Management. Alright, and if you want to get started with Microsoft Exposure Management, Microsoft Security Exposure Management, there are some prerequisites. You should have permissions, because for full security exposure management access, user roles needs access to all Defender for Endpoint device groups. You will have permissions for security exposure management tasks like global admin, global reader, security admin, security operator, security reader. Check the Microsoft documentations for more information on. And if to start using Microsoft Security Exposure Management, just hover over to security.microsoft.com. Under Exposure Management, click on Overview. Use a dashboard. This dashboard as a starting point for a snapshot of organizational posture and exposure, and drill down to details as needed. Review the assets, review the key initiatives, review the top metrics, review assets in the map, review and manage critical assets, view in device inventory and advanced hunting. Right now, the device inventory will provide you quick links to device sorted by critical devices with high risk, highly exposed critical devices, internet facing critical devices. Right, you will examine key initiative score over time. You will review recent security events, and from there on you will define a strategy to utilize the exposure management to strengthen your overall security posture. Okay, I believe this video was informative for every one of you. If you have any further comments or insights, please mention that in the comment section. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.